Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Toca Boca World application or game if it keeps on crashing on your system. So let's get started right away. Now, if the Toca Boca World game keeps on crashing on your device, then the first thing that you will need to check in order to solve this issue is to make sure that your application or game is updated to the latest version. So open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Toca Boca World and start your search. Once you find the game, just tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on update to install the latest application updates. Once the update process is completed, you will again see the play button, which you can click on and see if your issue is fixed. Now, if this still doesn't fix your issue, then the next thing that you will need to do is to clear the application cache and data. Now, be advised that if you follow the steps that I am going to do in this video from this point, then all of your previous progress within the game will be removed as well. So if you wish to proceed forward, open up your system settings and then tap on applications. From the apps page, scroll down and search for the Toca Boca World game. And once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Now first tap on force stop in order to stop the game. And after it has been stopped, tap on storage. And now you will see the clear storage as well as clear cache button. If you tap on clear cache and then go and check into the game, this might solve your issue. But if it still doesn't solve it, then you can tap on clear storage and then tap on the OK button, which will now clear all of your user storage for the Toca Boca World game. After this step is completed, you can open up the Toca Boca World game once again. And now you will need to start your game all the way from the beginning. However, the issue of the game crashing on you will now stop right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix crashes within the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.